all methods of adding hair, they all have one thing in common. They all add hair, but cause you to remove or lose hair in the process. And everyone knows this nowadays. So what's important is to keep your existing hair and scalp healthy. One of the elements of keeping it healthy is to have full 100% scalp access. So as a reminder, I'm gonna hold up the microstrand again. Hard to see, hard to feel. I want it to be logical to the audience here that if this is in between your hair and down against your scalp and all your hair is blended between this, logically, would you have full scalp access? And the answer is obviously yes. So if this is between your hair and down into your scalp, this has to be obvious to you, the viewer, that you're going to have full access to your scalp. Why? Number one, for health reasons. You want to be able to touch your scalp easily and get right down to the scalp. You want to be able to put a scalp treatment on, a moisturizer on, and easily get immediately right down to the scalp. That's very, very important. Even progressing even past that, if you want to use any kind of treatment to help stimulate your growth, hair stranding is the only method that will allow you to add hair, have the hair you want to have, while simultaneously stimulating your hair growth. Why? Because this is the only method that you can add hair and still have 100% access to the scalp. Even if you went to a doctor and the doctor was putting treatments in, they would have 100% easy access to the scalp. So that's why you can add the hair you want and do scalp treatments or hair growth treatments of any kind and still get down to the scalp. So that way you can have your hair and see if you can grow it too at the same time. So please remember that full scalp access is very important. It doesn't exist anywhere else.